Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a next day delivery on Amazon Prime. So if you need something and you want that package tomorrow, here I'm going to show you the exact strategy to ensure your Prime order arrives the next business day. So first you can open the Amazon, and here you're gonna find the items that you want to buy. For example, I'm going to find shoes in here, and now you need to check your eligibility, whether your address can be delivered or in eligible zone to next day delivery. So you can just find the options in here and find delivery options. You can enable it, do delivery options, and in here under the items there usually note if the items can be delivered by tomorrow. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.